Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A13. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the one-handed mode, because the phone is very large and so on and you cannot reach everything with one thumb. But there's a way to make the screen a bit smaller. And with this mini screen you have full access to everything. You can even play games with and so on. But don't worry if it doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. So let me show you how you can do that. Okay, for that, just scroll on here, and then you will have here the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down a bit here to the point Advanced Features. And here we will need the one-handed mode, and this has to be marked blue to be enabled. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is also pretty cool, because we can quick launch the camera by just double tapping the power button, and you're immediately at the camera without wasting time with looking for the camera app and so on. So one more time, just double press the power button and you're immediately at the camera. And awesome is, this feature works also if the phone is on standby. Just double tap the power button and you're immediately at the camera, and you don't have to unlock the screen and looking for the camera app, as I said. And it saves time, and hey, may you a great picture one day. And if you're already at the camera, we have something nice to make selfies. So if you hold the camera like this and lift your hand like that, and the phone will make a selfie automatically. So just put your hand like this and then the phone will shoot a selfie automatically. Also a very nice feature if you are not able to touch the shutter button here. Yeah, and you can clone apps here with that phone. So that means that you can have maybe 2 Facebook accounts on one phone. So that means not 2 Facebook accounts in one app. No, you can have one app for each account. And also you can have 2 WhatsApp accounts here on the phone. Why not? You can insert 2 SIM cards while not using 2 WhatsApp numbers. Okay, let me show you what I mean for that. Just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. Then we need to scroll down again to the point Advanced Features. And here we will have at the end the point Dual Messenger. Okay, as the name says already, it's only valid for messaging services. Not everyone, not every service, because Instagram doesn't work maybe. Same with TikTok, but WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Messenger, and also some other apps are working with. Okay, so if you want to clone it, just tap here, go on Install, go on Confirm. This point is interesting because you can have, you can use a separate contact list, but you have to enable this feature first. But let us skip it because you can do it later as well. And let me show you the next way you can do that. First of all, okay, here below. Below you can always set up an own contact list for the second accounts. No? So let's clone Snapchat now. Maybe let's complete the list. You just go on Install. Same with Facebook. By the way, if you have Facebook Lite or Messenger Lite, these apps are also not able to clone. But it's also an option to have a third account on the phone, if you know what I mean, because if you use this app as well. So let me have a look, or let's have a look how it looks like here. This is my main Facebook account, and this is my second one. This is my main WhatsApp account. This is my second one. And you can always see, you can always recognize the second app here with the orange mark here at the corner. Snapchat, second Snapchat, and so on. And as I said, I have Facebook Lite here and Messenger Lite also as well on my phone. It's not able to clone, but if you want to have a third account, it's a way to have one on your phone, because it's here, no? Facebook, and Facebook Lite. Okay. The next one, what I want to show you is you can split the screen with the phone. So that means maybe if you say, okay, I like watching YouTube videos, would be very nice. Then you have the opportunity to do something next to watching YouTube. Let me show you what I mean. So just go on the 3 bars. Here you can open your recently used tabs, and one of them is now YouTube. Now I've just opened it, and if I tap here now on the symbol of YouTube on the top, then I have the opportunity to open it in a split screen view. That means now YouTube is above here, and below I can choose maybe what I want to do next to. I want to use, I don't know, tell me something. May I want to use Google. So then I have Google below, and on the top I have YouTube. So if you say, okay, I need a bit more space for my YouTube video, you can just scroll down here, the bar in the middle with the 3 points in it. Same thing also with Google. If you want to have more space for Google, you can just swipe the bar up here to have more space for Google. Later, if you say, okay, I just want to have Google on my account, on my phone, I can swipe it up like this and I just have Google. If you say, okay, I just want to continue with YouTube, swipe it down and you will have the app above here, on my example, YouTube, on the screen. And I show already the Galaxy S23. I think it's a bit too early. Okay, let's continue the program, because there's also another way to open something like a split screen view, because you can open also a pop-up. If you go here again on the 3 bars and again here on the icon on the top, you can open YouTube now here also in a pop-up view. So that means a little window here. And this little window, you can put it also on another position and so on. And you can make it also more transparent. If you say like this here, that's also possible. The sound is the same thing. And if you say, okay, I want to enlarge it, just tap here. Or if you want to close the app, just tap here on this first. Then it looks like this. But if you want to enlarge it, just tap here. Then it's again on the complete screen. And if you want, you can make also screenshots here with the phone. So a picture of the screen. For that, just use the power button and the volume down button. Just press it for the same time, just for short, and then you will have a screenshot of your screen. And then you can edit the screenshot or can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on. Okay, one more time, just press the power button and the volume down button, just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now on the editing symbol here, you are able to draw something inside or to highlight something if you want. And if you go here on the corners, tap on the corner, then you have the opportunity as well to crop part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. After, you can share this edited part directly or save it with the arrow here to your gallery. And the next thing I want to show you is something for the eyes, because we all know it's not so good if we're looking all the time on our smartphone screen, but we are doing it. But there's a way to reduce the stress for the eyes at minimum. That's a blue light filter. So let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here and scroll down a second time. And by the way, we have here some more shortcuts then, and we have a second page. And here we will have the Eye Comfort Shield. If I open it, you will see that the screen is changing a bit. So the screen have a bit a touch of yellow now, and that's the blue light filter, because it makes the light is a bit more warm and so on. And if I go here now on the written word Eye Comfort Shield, I have now also the chance to change the opacity of this blue light filter. And as more warm it is, as better it is for the eyes. But it is a bit unusual at the beginning, but you will become used to. If you say, okay, for the day I don't like it so much, you have the chance to go here on details, because you should have it at latest in the evening or at night, because it really affects your sleep. So if you're looking too often on your smartphone screen before you fall into sleep, that can affect your sleep in a negative way. And you should have it at latest in the evening then. And if you don't want to have it on a day, you can schedule it automatically. That's turn on when the sun goes down, and then it's automatically turned off if the sun rises. Just go here on set scheduled and go on sunset to sunrise, and then it's only available in the evening and night. And another tool supports this feature. Also, if you scroll down here, scroll down a second time, go on the second page, that's the dark mode. That's also especially for the evening and the night, because if I tap it, it becomes dark, the background, and the words becomes white and so on. And that supports also our eyes, especially in the evening, because if you have a very bright screen, if everything is dark around you, you know that's not a good feeling. And this really will help you with that, and that you don't have to on it all the time automatically. You can do the same thing. You can schedule it also for the sunset to the sunrise. And for that, just go here on dark mode, go on details, and go here on turn on as scheduled, and then set up here from sunset to sunrise. And whenever now the sun sets, the dark mode will turn on, and when the sun rises, the dark mode will turn off. Because on the day, you can use it as well on the day, but if there's too much sunlight and so on, you cannot read very well your display here from the phone. So you should just have it in the evening and night. Yeah, the last tool I want to show you is if you're in a meeting and someone is calling you, you have an easy way to put it on mute. We're just putting it head over on the table. The call will not stop, it's just muted. And it's very nice to don't disturb your neighbors during this time. And also pretty cool is if you pick up your phone later, it gives you a little bit of vibration. Have you heard that? Did you hear that? It gives you a little vibration, and then you know, okay, I have some new messages, or I have missed calls, and so on and so on. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question and give you some tips and tricks here for the phone. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you don't want to miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.